Hello everyone, welcome back to our class, English class. Here is another session of English grammar. In the last session we discussed revision unit, the first unit, and today we study second unit, determiners. Okay, there are 8 parts of speech in the English grammar, but in the modern English there will be 9 parts, and the 9th is the determiner. So today we study about determiner. Yes, let's revise. The determiners involved several classes of words: articles, adjectives and pronouns. In the determiners there are 3 contains: articles, adjectives and the pronouns. We have learned that an article is a word used before a noun. You know this? An article is a word used before a noun. There are 3 types of article: a, and the. So in these, a, and are called the indefinite article and the is called the definite article. Study the following examples. A cardiologist is a doctor who treats heart problems. In this example we have used a doctor, a cardiologist. Okay. Now second, a man who doesn't eat for many days together may die. We have used a because it is the indefinite article. We don't know which man, which cardiologist. Okay. Now third is, an elephant ride is very popular among the foreign tourists. Elephant, because it has a vowel sound, then we used n. Okay. Now the activity first. Fill in the blanks using appropriate articles a and the. So students, you know about where we use a, and or the. We use a before the consonant sound, okay, and we use n before the vowel sounds we have to check, and the it is used for the specific things and we want to avoid the repetition, then we use the. Okay, then we know already about anything, then we use time we use that thing or person, then we use the. So here is the activity first. I have solved here. You have to read and fill up your book also. There is a milk booth next to our apartment. We are talking at the first time of the milk booth, then we have used a. Then second time I have again repeat about that same milk booth, then I have used the. There is a milk booth next to our apartment. The milk booth opens at 5 in the morning and closes at 7 in the evening. The owner of the milk booth sells apples, also it gives an extra apple to all those who buy apples from this milk booth. To the owner of the milk booth, the customer is like God. So like this, I have solved this exercise. And we have also learnt that an adjective is a word. An adjective is a word which gives additional information about the noun or pronoun it qualifies. Okay, example, it is an excellent idea. Idea is the noun, abstract noun, and excellent gives the more information about the idea. Which kind of idea? Excellent idea. So in this sentence, excellent is called the adjective. We have also learnt that there are different kinds of adjectives, like adjective of quality, quantity, number and possessive adjective. Some other kind of adjectives are demonstrative adjective and interrogative adjective. So how many kinds of adjective? Quality, quantity, number, possessive, demonstrative and interrogative adjectives. So I have solved the activity second. Tomorrow we will discuss about the activity second and try to solve this exercise. Thank you Until keep learning, watch the videos and please write your name in the comment box also. Thank you.